friends, good evening. How are you all doing? I hope you are enjoying the rain sitting at your home. This is Sachin Ashnani welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about the stock markets in a simple and easy to understand manner. I am sure today was a very difficult day for most traders because of the sharp volatility in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. But if you have seen my yesterday's video, I had warned you that Nifty can fall 1 to 2% anytime, even though everyone else was very bullish. Also, on expected lines, the breakout in Bank Nifty did take place and reached our target of 23,000, but it did not sustain there. To check out more details of the analysis and strategy, check the link above. So let's get started with option chain analysis for Nifty. Nifty today closed at 10,705 level, down by 94 points. It has become calls heavy today, whereas yesterday it was puts heavy. Yesterday open interest on the put side was over 3 crore shares. Today it has come down to around 2.5 crore shares, while on the call side the open interest is over 2.6 crore shares. Let's have a look at the internals. First, on the put side, highest open interest is at 10,600, followed by 10,500 at 27 lakh. But across all the strikes, there has been lot of unwinding of positions. Now there can be two reasons for this. One is of course the sudden fall in market at 2:30 p.m. which rattled lots of put writers. But I had already warned you in my yesterday's video that a fall of 1 to 2% is expected anytime, and hence I did want to write puts beyond 10,500. The second reason could also be that there is just one day left for expiry, so people are shifting their positions to next week. Since there has been fall in premiums also along with unwinding, I'll give more importance to the second reason. On the call side, the highest open interest continued to be at 11,000, followed by 10,800. At 10,800, very strong open interest addition has also taken place. In fact, I have also been highlighting in my past videos that 10,800 is turning out to be a resistance zone, and even today, though Nifty went up to 10,847 before 9:30 a.m., it just couldn't sustain there, and towards the end closed just above 10,700 level. We can see the same in the charts also. Today was the third attempt of Nifty to cross 10,800 level, but each time it tries to do so, there is failure and it closes just below 10,800. In fact, today it closed just over 10,700. Also, 10,900 is the area where the 200 DMA is placed, and that is going to be a stiff resistance, and Nifty is unlikely to cross it in the very first attempt. Moreover, the candlestick pattern which has formed is almost like an evening star, which usually leads to some short-term correction. Even the volumes today are the highest in last 10 days. So some more fall can be expected. I am not trying to suggest that the fall will be very sharp, but 2 to 3% fall can be expected. The immediate support is at 10,600, and looking at the price action and option data, this level can hold, especially if the global markets are also positive. But once broken, Nifty will immediately head to 10,500 level at a fast pace. However, please keep in mind that for now the trend remains up and all declines should be used to buy. So based on all this, what will be my strategy? Being weekly expiry, it's best avoided to take positions in this week's series. But still, if Nifty sustains below 10,600 for 10 to 15 minutes, then I think it will aim for 10,500 level on a closing basis. So I will go for buying put option with the target of 50 rupees. Currently it is trading around 12 to 13 rupees. Also, option selling which usually happens on every Thursday, can be done on the call side at 10,800 and higher levels depending on the premium available. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today closed at 22,585, down by 43 points. Just like Nifty, Bank Nifty has also become calls heavy, but just marginally. Yesterday, Bank Nifty and Nifty both were puts heavy. Highest open interest is at 23,500 level, which is where the maximum open interest addition has also taken place, but the premium over here is very low. The next highest open interest is at 23,000, but some bit of unwinding has also taken place over there, and the highest writing has actually happened today at 22,800. Now this could possibly just to eat the premium for one day. However, the important point to note here is that the IVs still continue to be very high. In fact, they are more than double the IVs of Nifty. On the put side, the highest open interest is at 22,000 level, followed by 21,000 and 21,500. But today, the highest put writing has happened at 22,500. However, the quantum is very low, so I wouldn't give too much importance to this level. Even over here, just like the call side, the IVs are very high. So above 40 across most levels. In fact, at some places it's even above 50 and 60. IVs, high IVs indicate that the possibility of a sharp move is present. And especially on expiry day, we know that Bank Nifty tends to behave in a very erratic manner. So don't be surprised if you see a sharp move possibly on the downside. Let's have a look at the charts. So today the breakout did happen and Bank Nifty went up above 23,000, which was our target, but it could not sustain itself over there. In fact, the strategy mentioned in yesterday's video was also quite profitable, and the 22,700 call doubled and went above 500 also. The overall bull call spread also was very profitable, and I personally made money in it as I kept trailing my stop loss higher and got stopped out in profit. Now on charts again, Bank Nifty has closed just above the breakout level of 22,500. But we need to see for follow through action on either side. The fall from 23,000 is on fairly high volumes, and these volumes are the highest in last 9-10 days. So it is possible that Bank Nifty will break 22,500 level on the downside, and it can target 22,000, which is where currently the highest open interest is also placed on the put side. So on the basis of all these factors, and most importantly due to high IVs, I will avoid selling both puts and calls and will actually look to buy puts once Bank Nifty sustains below 22,400 levels. My target for tomorrow would be 22,000. So on sustaining below 22,400, I'll buy at the money puts depending on the level at that point of time. So that's it from my end. Have a profitable trading day tomorrow and do take good care of yourself and your family.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.